DJI still connected to my phone. So on all of the record from Hi everyone, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to connect from this one, from DJI Action 5 Pro to my mobile phone. So first thing I did is I need to open my Action Camera. So there's a switch in here. Open this one, so it's already open. So what I need to do is I'm using my iPhone here, but any kind of phone as long you have the apps, the DJI Memo app. I have the DJI Memo app here. I already downloaded DJI, so I'll show you the apps for the DJI Memo. So this one, DJI Memo, so this apps, so this one, I already downloaded the DJI Memo. This one, open. And then after that, so I'll show you, I put the camera in the back so that you can show everything, how to connect from DJI Action DJI Action 5 Pro to my mobile phone. So let's do that. So I have here my DJI Action 5 Pro and so let's do this like that. So okay, first things I did is to, oh my god, this one is recording, sorry. So first thing I did is to tap the DJI Memo like that, but then open the Bluetooth like that. Open the Bluetooth, make sure the Bluetooth is open, and then it says here it's connected. So here, so Action 5, so it says here because you need to open the Bluetooth first and the Wi-Fi. So connect like that, connect. So it says here DJI Memo wants to join Wi-Fi, join. So click that one, join. So waiting, it's still connecting, waiting for that. So now it's connected. Allow full access like that. Later that one I will update. Action 5 Pro update later, I will update that one. So this one, it says here, so as you can see guys, DJI would like to access the microphone, allow. So it's my first time. So here, so as you can see, so now it's the same here. You can check in your phone while you are recording your DJI. This is the portrait one. If you're doing landscape, you can see here, look at, that is the landscape. So I'll show you. So just me. So here I will get in front of me. So now I'm here. Can you see it? I'm here using the DJI. So I'm going outside, so you can see, guys, I'm going outside by the what's it called, by the window. Now I'm here, I will check by the window. So as you can see guys, you can see there by the phone, by there in the phone, it's still connected from the DJI. So it's here, it's me here. See, even I'm far, still you can see, look at me, hello. Yeah, I'm still there, so it's still connected. So you can check in your phone, even if you are too far. It's look like a CCTV. How to make your DJI Action 5 Pro as a CCTV, but not too far, not the same with that. So yes, it's the same here. Look at, it's already mirroring like that. Look at, if it's portrait, you can do it like that. Like that. Okay, here, and then in the back, that, can you see it? Ching. So it's nice. So now it's easy to use guys, it's easy to use because you can connect your DJI Action 5 Pro to your mobile phone, any kind of mobile phone, as long it's As long it's what's it called, as long you need to download the DJI Memo app. So I'm here. Okay, as long you upload the DJI Memo app, so you can see it clearly that it's really focused. If you want to use your phone and connect it to DJI, so it's possible as well. But I think because I'm using only the DJI Action 5 Pro to your mobile phone, so now it's, yeah, as you can see, as I am talking the same, then here, hello. So yeah, it's worth it, guys. So it's really easy to use, guys. It's really easy to use. Look at, you see it? Yeah, it's the same. Look at. You can see if it's recording, even if you, I think even if you are too far, this one is still connected, because you can connect. You need to open the Bluetooth first and make it sure. The first thing at the step for first thing you did is DJI Memo app. See, this is the I'll make it landscape. Oh, landscape portrait. So I will make it a portrait. Okay, like that. Get sure. Can you see me? So it's here in my DJI, still connected to my phone. So on all of the record from here, all the film in here that you are recorded is still here in your phone. If you have the DJI Memo app, it's still here in the album of the DJI Memo app. All the photos, video you are recording from the DJI Action 5 Pro or any kind DJI Action 4, DJI Action or any Action Camera or Pocket, so still you can connect here to your phone. Because I have Pocket 4 before, Pocket 3 before, and still connected. I tried to connect in my phone but still connected. So this is the landscape. Look, it's still landscape. Oh, if I do landscape, if I do portrait, okay, yeah, still connected. You can use any phone or Android phone as long you have the DJI Memo app, guys. So yeah, I'm so happy for this one. I love DJI product, guys. This is one of my favorite brand, but any other product it's okay for me, but as of now, it's DJI is my only take a review. So yeah, still it's back one, you can see. Okay, that is the, look at, I close it, that my DJI is recording my eyes. Yeah, and then the clock here. Oh, look at, I zoom in, see. So later I will compare the DJI Action 5 Pro to this phone that I'm using, which is what is better quality. So I think, yeah, this is I using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, guys. So here, this is only mirroring. It's not recording here. It's not recording. But you try, if you want to record, just press this one. It's still, press this one. Wait. So it's recording. It's recording now, while this one is not recording, right? As you can see, this one is recording. Can you see it? It's recording, while this one is still only mirroring. It's not recording, but it shows there it's recording the DJI ISO, but in the phone is not recording. Okay, can you see? Just only mirroring. Can you see it? It's recording. Okay, this recording is already 36 seconds, but here no, just only It's like a CCTV checking only. Look at. Okay. If so far you can see it, and then here, yeah, and then here, yes, anywhere, so like that. And I zoom in the, look at, yeah, this is worth it, guys. So it's not a sponsor product, this is my own money, but I only show you my honest review of this product. I love this one than in the pocket camera, pocket 3, pocket, yeah, I love this one because it's more rugged and it's waterproof. That's why I returned my pocket 3 before, and I exchanged this one for my action camera because it's rugged. I can use this one anywhere I go. I'm going to the mountain, or yes, anywhere I go. So that's why I love it, and it's lightweight. I don't have to worry about some gimbal, like not the same in the pocket 4 that the gimbal is like sensitive. So this one is really rugged for me, so it's the best that I have this phone. This action camera right now. So maybe soon I need to upgrade for action. This is action 4, what is action 5? So maybe soon I need to upgrade like action 6, yeah, so soon, but not yet. I'm just this camera is still okay for me. I'm so happy. So still, yeah, it's, look at, guys, can you see it? And here, oh, yeah, it's still mirroring. Look at the quality, it's so clear in the phone. Okay, my front, I close the camera, oh, look, in my front, see, I love this camera, yeah. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? What is better for you, this one or this one? But it's not comparing the camera because this recording is coming from here, then mirroring in my iPhone. So yeah, I'm so happy this product. So I need to close this recording now because it's almost, yeah. So yeah, this is my review for today, guys. So it's still recording, I think. Yeah, it's still connecting, but if you want to disconnect, wait, I'll show you. If you want to disconnect, just turn off the Bluetooth. Turn off the Bluetooth, then that's it. It's disconnected now. But still, yeah, it's connected. Even I turn off the Bluetooth, it's still connected. But yeah, so because I'm using the DJI Wi-Fi, so yeah, turn off the Wi-Fi, so now it's disconnected, I think. So yeah, device disconnected. Device, you can please check the device connection. Okay, so it's disconnected now. So I will come back to the Wi-Fi that I'm using here, not the DJI Wi-Fi. So yeah, DJI Memo, is DJI Memo app. So I come back to the Wi-Fi that I'm using here. So now it's disconnected now, no more. Yeah, this is very good, guys. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to click like my video. Now the connection is not stable because I disconnect. So this one I disconnect. So this is the thing, album. So all your video in here, it shows in the album, the DJI Memo, yeah. All the video, all the photos that you save, it it's stuck here in the DJI Memo, guys. So yes, that is my video for today, guys. I hope you like it, and don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel so that next time if I have a latest video, so that you are updated. Hopefully you like my video. It's like I'm not perfect in English, but I try my best to communicate, to understand, and so that the people who don't understand my language, that's why I try my best to speak in English. So yes, that's it for today, guys. Bye bye from now. So have a nice day, everyone, or night, evening, what time in your country. So bye bye.